What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you didn't see last video, go check it out. I'll put it right here. Also, if you're new here, please go down below, hit the subscribe button. It helped me out a whole bunch. So last video I was assembling the engine, getting this all ready, and then the front timing cover I wasn't able to put on because in the video my old engine timing cover wouldn't line up with this one bolt. So I took the old timing cover off of the old engine, or the new engine, cleaned it up, made it look decent, and then I got that on. I also put the AC pump and alternator on, and then I got the header in, got the gasket from work, put all the wiring on it, and then I also wrapped the chains around the front of the timing cover and around the intake plenum by the throttle body, so we can get this engine up to stand. So in this video, I'm gonna be taking the engine off the stand, putting the clutch on it, the flywheel, also getting the transmission mated up to it so we can get it ready to put in the car. So I'll throw you guys on the tripod and we'll get to it. Alright, so we got the engine off the stand, and on a tire over here, the hoist is still hooked up, so it's pretty stable. Got off the engine hoist. Here I got a Clutch Expert 6-putt clutch with a lightweight flywheel. There's something cheap to go on it, but right now I have to get the automatic pilot bushing out, so I could put the new manual one in. The input of the transmission won't go in the engine. So we have to get the automatic one out, and I'll show you an easy way to get it out if it works for me. These aren't stuck in here. The trick to get them out is a 1/2 inch. I like using a wobbly one. A 1/2 inch wobble extension. You stick it just barely into there, about that far, and then if they're not completely stuck, you should be able to just take a hammer and then just hit it right there. Look at that, 2 hits. And I got the automatic pilot bushing out. It didn't damage the crank at all. So as long as you don't stick the extension through too far, you won't damage the crank. So that's how to get that out easily. To get the manual pilot bushing into the engine, put a little bit of oil on the outside of the pilot bushing. So we got the pilot bushing installed. It only has to go just past the taper. Now you're seeing what I go through to film these videos. Alright, we just put the flywheel on the engine. There's 8 flywheel bolts. This is the OEM part number. It's not good to reuse them. All of these are torqued to 60 to 65 foot-pounds. Ooh. Strip it. Alright, so I went to go torque these bolts down, and the 2 that I drilled out last video stripped. So I don't know if this is a stupid idea or if this is good idea. But I'm gonna weld these on. Let's see what happens. Well, this might be the first on YouTube, but if it works, it works. Should I just do those 2 tacks and call it good? Or should I do one more on each, on the inside?
One more on the opposite side?
Yeah, like on the opposite side.
Yeah. That way it's locked in there.
So we're putting the clutch on now. You're gonna wanna clean your flywheel and then also clean the pressure plate surface of all machining material, because you'd hate to install your clutch and then for it to slip. So we have a 6-puck sprung clutch going on the car. So your clutch pressure plate will only go out one way. So we got the pressure plate on, and we got the clutch alignment tool in. There's 9 clutch pressure plate bolts that hold this pressure plate on all the way around it. They're torqued to 25 foot-pounds. You ready? Shake it, open up. It is. It's right there. Hold on. Ah, we got it. Alright, so I'm ending the video here tonight. It's a long night. We got the transmission finally made it to the engine. Thank you so much, Austin. Yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow. It's the next day. Hope you guys are having a good day. So we got the engine and transmission put on it last night. Austin's throwing the starter on for me right now. I gotta put the engine leveler on it, and then we're ready to put this thing in the car. So I'll throw you guys on the tripod and we'll get it started. Alright, we're ready. So there it is. We got the new engine finally in the car. It was a little struggle, but we got it. Thank you, Austin. Yeah. Now I gotta go under it, put the transmission mount back in it, and then yeah, it's all mounted. So I'm gonna stop this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me put the engine in the Infiniti. It was a struggle for sure, but we got this thing in there. Big shout out to my friend Austin for helping me with the engine and transmission on that car. It's a huge help. If you enjoyed the video, please slam the like button, drop a comment down below what part of the video you liked best. I thought it was pretty crazy that we welded the flywheel onto the engine, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I know I didn't come this far to stop, so share this video to anybody that you may know. It'll help me get it out to bigger audiences. And with that, we got the engine and transmission in the car and all mounted. Next video, we should be assembling the front end and then starting the engine. See you guys.